Welcome back to the channel. You're watching HQ BMW and my name is Jeff. So today we're going to talk a little bit about the E92 and the things that you should know before buying one. So here we go. So the first thing that you should know, and the first thing that I like about the E92 is the actual styling. The two-door coupe is probably one of my favorite body styles. The only thing that I would change on this car would be the front bumper. The non-M front bumper is just, it looks like it's smiling. It's not appealing to me at all, but for a daily driver slash winter beater, it does the trick. The second thing that you should know is this car came with two motor types. So in 2011, they switched the motors over to an N55 rather than the N54. The difference for you non-BMW people is the N54 is an inline six and it's got two turbos on it. So the platform for the N54, if you're gonna be modding it, is you can actually get more power out of the N54 than the N55. However, the N55 is more reliable. So if you're like me, that's driving the E92 for winter beater slash daily driver, the N55 is more reliable, which in turn is just an all-round better daily. Some people would argue this and say that the N54 is just as reliable, but I think it's just personal preference. And at the end of the day, my F30 has the N55. This has got my 2011 E92 has the N55. I'm sticking with the same platform, so it's just easier for me to move forward. The next thing about the E92 is the interior. It's just like any other BMW you typically sit in. Most hasn't changed an entire lot, except for the iDrive system. The screen on the E92 and E90 is actually built into the dash like this, as you can see, where the F30, F80, the newer BMWs, has this screen popping out of the dash. Kind of look like it was an afterthought when it was put there, rather than being incorporated into the dash. I think this is a much cleaner look, and I wish they would have stayed with this for the F30s. Another thing with the interior is these handy dandy seatbelt helpers. I don't know if they were gimmicky or they had been engineered to work better, but they sometimes work and they sometimes don't work. So I'm gonna start the car and get it running, and I'm gonna see if I can get these right here, these seatbelt helpers. Let's see if it actually hands me my seatbelt. Okay, we got the car running. Let's close the door and see if these seatbelt helpers actually hand me the seatbelt. See, it missed. It didn't hand me the seatbelt. So, like I said, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. I think they were engineered that they would have been better, but yeah, you guys just seen, it doesn't work. So the last thing that I want to talk about on the E92 is the performance of the N55, the inline six-cylinder single turbo, and the Drive system that I have in this car is the 6-speed automatic. It has paddle shifters, as you can see, with the ability to put it into sport mode, so you can run it manually or with the paddles. But the most impressive thing about this car that I will use over and over and over again for a daily / winter beater is the xDrive system. The xDrive system, coupled with winter tires, has been absolutely phenomenal. We've got quite a bit of snow in the last couple weeks, and with the winter tires and the xDrive system, from going from a starting line at the stoplights, it just goes. There's no slipping, no sliding. And with the winter tires, it really increases the stopping distance on how fast you can come to a stop, which it's been absolutely phenomenal. So that is actually the most favorite part about this car is the xDrive system. It's BMW did it incredibly right. It works. It's just phenomenal to drive. There's the E92 in a really quick nutshell. I didn't cover everything that is on the car. I just wanted to cover a few points that maybe will answer some questions that you guys have. If you have any other questions or you want to know anything else about the car, anything, drop a comment below and I answer all the comments. So please subscribe. I got one more thing that I want to show you guys. We're going to take the car around front, park it, go in the house. Okay guys, we're in the house, nice and warm now. I got something to show you in this box. Obviously, if you know, you might have a clue by the actual box. But the brigade ordered these specially. I designed them back in November, early November, because we did the same thing last year, but we did a pre-sale on these through our Instagram and on my Instagram, and a bunch of us, we all promoted these. And so here they are. You guys are getting the first peek at these. So for all the BMW fans out there, you guys are probably going to appreciate this more than any other car enthusiast. But without further ado, we made some ugly Christmas sweaters. Thank you to all of you that ordered one of the hoodies. Hopefully you guys are going to enjoy them as much as we did making them, and we are going to get them out to you as quickly as possible. So we appreciate your support, and there you have it guys. Thanks for tuning in to today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Any comments, questions about the E92, comment below. Please subscribe. It means the world to me. I appreciate all of you that have subscribed so far. Your support is amazing. And till next time, peace.